4 charged after brawl at the 40th staging of Sting 2023. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Entertainers Fully Bad and Animosity are among 4 charged with disorderly conduct following a brawl at Sting 2023 held at Jamaica Entertainment Complex in Portmore, St. Catherine on Boxing Day. After the brawl, recording artist Fully Bad had this to say.
Don't do that, Mr. Ling, you hear that? Don't feel like you can't style me thing, you hear that? Right? Ramp with the God, you hear that? Don't do that, Mr. Ling, you hear that? Don't feel like you can't style me thing, you hear that? Rise, you hear that? No, see, no boy. Remember me tell you, no boy. And you see that police boy there will violate me thing, I slap me in the head. Boy, me a go see you man in you, me a go up. Your mother, boy, you police boy. Me know you happy to see my life. You happy to see this man in you. Me Fully Bad said that go your mother. You, me a go you up in a man in your. Remember me tell you that. You like a joke. No boy can ramp with the bad God. You hear that? No boy can ramp with the God. You hear that?
The recording artist Fully Bad real name Nicholas Bartley and Animosity real name Leighton Sims are 27 and age 29 respectively. The other facing charges of disorderly conduct are 32-year-old Roshane Williams, a mason of Sligoville in St. Catherine, and 30-year-old Dalton Bartley, otherwise called Dinah, a musician of Glen Drive, Kingston 8. Reports from the Portmore police are that at about 6:30 a.m., Animosity and Fully Bad were performing when a fight started. Williams and Nicholas joined, which resulted in a disruption to the Sting 2023 staging. The police intervened and all 4 men were arrested and charged. They are scheduled to appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court on January 24, 2024. It's the second consecutive year that a brawl has broken out at Sting. Last year was between Queenie and Amari. Efforts to get a comment from the promoter of the event, Isaiah Leng, has been unsuccessful up to the publication of this report. However, Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.